Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Real Life. I'm Ray.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here today.
Yeah, really happy. So, Mia, how are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, actually. A little tired, but good. How about you?
Same. I had my coffee this morning, so I'm awake now.
Coffee is so important, right?
Oh yeah, I can't start my day without it. What about you? Are you a coffee person?
I am. I usually have 1 cup in the morning, sometimes 2 if I'm really tired.
Nice. So, what have you been up to this week?
Well, actually, something interesting happened. I went to a party last weekend.
Oh yeah? Was it fun?
Well, it was okay, but honestly, I felt really nervous the whole time.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I don't really like big groups of people. I feel uncomfortable sometimes.
Oh, I totally understand that. I feel the same way sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. Actually, that's what we want to talk about today.
Right. Today we're talking about social anxiety.
Exactly. It's something a lot of people experience, but we don't always talk about it.
That's so true. And we thought it would be helpful to have a real conversation about it.
Yeah. So if you're learning English and you also feel nervous around people sometimes, this video is for you.
And don't worry, we're going to use very simple English today, so everyone can understand.
Perfect. So, Mia, let's start with the basics. What is social anxiety?
Good question. So, social anxiety is when you feel really nervous or scared in social situations.
Right, like when you're around other people.
Exactly. It could be at a party, at work, at school, anywhere with people.
And it's not just being a little shy, right?
No, it's more than that. Everyone feels shy sometimes, but social anxiety is stronger. It can be really hard.
Yeah, like your heart starts beating fast, your hands get sweaty.
Yes, or you feel like you can't breathe, or your face gets red.
Exactly. Your body has a physical reaction.
Right, and in your mind, you're thinking, everyone is looking at me, or I'm going to say something stupid.
Oh yeah, I know that feeling.
You do?
For sure. I remember in high school, I had to give a presentation in front of my class.
Oh no.
Yeah, it was terrible. I was so nervous. My hands were shaking, I was sweating. I felt like everyone was judging me.
That sounds so stressful.
It was. And you know what? I practiced so much at home. I knew my presentation really well, but when I stood up in front of everyone, my mind just went blank.
Oh, that's the worst feeling.
It really is. I just stood there for like 10 seconds. It felt like 10 minutes.
Oh, Ray.
Yeah, it was rough, but eventually I got through it.
Good. I'm glad you finished it. But see, that's a perfect example of social anxiety.
Totally. And the thing is, I wasn't actually in danger, right? I was just giving a presentation.
Right, exactly. That's the thing about anxiety. Your brain thinks there's danger, but there isn't really.
Yeah, your brain is trying to protect you, but sometimes it goes a little too far.
That's a good way to say it. It goes too far.
So what about you, Mia? Do you have any stories about social anxiety?
Oh, so many.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think my biggest problem is small talk.
Small talk? Like casual conversation?
Yes. You know, when you're talking to someone you don't know very well, like at a party or a work event.
Oh, I see.
I never know what to say. I always feel so awkward.
Really? But you seem so comfortable talking.
Well, right now I'm talking to you, and we're friends. That's different.
That's true.
But if I'm at a party with people I don't know, I just stand there quietly.
You don't talk to anyone?
I try, but it's hard. I feel like I don't have anything interesting to say.
But I'm sure you do.
Thanks, but in the moment, I just freeze. My mind goes blank, just like you said.
Yeah, I get that.
And then I feel bad about it later. I think, why didn't I just say something? Why am I so weird?
Oh, Mia, you're not weird.
Thanks, but that's how it feels, you know?
I do know. I think a lot of people feel that way.
Yeah, actually, I read somewhere that social anxiety is pretty common.
Really?
Yeah, like millions of people have it.
Wow, that's a lot.
It is. So if you're watching this and you have social anxiety, you're not alone.
Exactly. You're definitely not alone.
And it's okay to feel this way. It doesn't mean there's something wrong with you.
Right. It's just a challenge, but you can work on it.
Yes, exactly. You can get better.
So let's talk about that. What are some things that can help with social anxiety?
Good question. Well, I think the first step is understanding it.
What do you mean?
Like knowing that it's anxiety, knowing that your brain is just trying to protect you even though there's no real danger.
Oh, okay. So just being aware of it?
Yeah, sometimes just knowing what's happening can make it less scary.
That makes sense. What else?
Well, breathing is really important.
Breathing?
Yeah, when you're anxious, you start breathing really fast, or sometimes you hold your breath,
Oh, I do that.
right? So if you can slow down your breathing, it helps calm your body.
How do you do that?
It's pretty simple. You just breathe in slowly through your nose, and then breathe out slowly through your mouth.
Like this?
Yeah, exactly. Do that a few times and you'll feel better.
Okay, that's helpful. I'm going to try that next time I feel nervous.
You should. It really works.
Cool. What else can people do?
Well, another thing is preparation.
Preparation?
Yeah, like if you know you're going to be in a social situation, you can prepare for it.
How?
Well, for example, if you're going to a party, you can think about some topics to talk about.
Oh, like conversation starters?
Exactly. You can think of a few questions or topics before you go.
Like what?
Like, how do you know the host? Or have you been to this place before? Simple things like that.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, and then you don't have to worry so much in the moment.
Right, you already have something to say.
Exactly.
That's really good advice.
Thanks. I actually started doing that, and it helps a lot.
Nice. So you go to parties with a plan now?
Kind of, yeah. I know it sounds silly, but it makes me feel more confident.
No, that doesn't sound silly at all. I think that's really smart.
Thanks, Ray.
So what about therapy? Do you think therapy can help with social anxiety?
Oh, definitely. Therapy can be really helpful.
Have you ever tried it?
I have, actually, a few years ago.
Really? How was it?
It was good. It helped me understand my anxiety better.
That's great.
Yeah, my therapist taught me some techniques, like the breathing thing I mentioned.
Oh, so you learned that in therapy?
Yep, and some other things too.
Like what?
Well, one thing is called exposure therapy.
Exposure therapy.
Yeah, it sounds scary, but it's not that bad.
Okay, what is it?
Basically, you expose yourself to the thing that makes you anxious, but you do it slowly, little by little.
Oh, I see. So you face your fear.
Yeah, exactly, but in a safe way.
Can you give an example?
Sure. So let's say you're afraid of talking to strangers.
Okay.
You wouldn't start by giving a speech to 100 people, right?
Right, that would be too much.
Exactly. Instead, you might start by just saying hi to one person.
Oh, okay.
And then, when you're comfortable with that, you move to the next step. Maybe you have a short conversation.
I see. So you build up slowly.
Yeah, and over time, it gets easier.
That's really interesting.
It is, and it actually works.
Did you try it?
I did. I started small, just like that, and now I'm a little more comfortable in social situations.
That's awesome, Mia.
Thanks. I mean, I still get nervous sometimes, but it's not as bad as it used to be.
Well, that's progress.
Yeah, it is.
You know, I think one hard thing about social anxiety is that other people don't always understand it.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, they might say, just relax or don't worry so much.
Yes, I hate when people say that.
Right? It's not helpful.
Not at all. If I could just relax, I would.
Exactly. It's not that simple.
No, anxiety isn't something you can just turn off.
Right. It takes time and effort to manage it.
Yeah, and I think people who don't have anxiety don't really understand that.
That's true. So, what would you say to someone who has a friend or family member with social anxiety?
I would say be patient.
Be patient.
Yeah, understand that it's hard for them. Don't push them too much.
That's good advice.
And also just be supportive. Let them know it's okay to feel anxious.
Right, don't make them feel bad about it.
Exactly.
I think that's really important.
Me too.
So Mia, do you think social anxiety ever goes away completely?
That's a tough question. I think for some people, maybe, but for others, it might always be there a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
But even if it doesn't go away completely, you can learn to manage it.
Right, you can learn skills and strategies to help you deal with it.
Exactly. And that makes a big difference.
For sure.
I mean, I still feel anxious sometimes, but now I have tools to help me through it.
That's great.
Yeah, and I think that's the key. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep trying.
I love that. You don't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
So, what about avoiding situations? Like, if something makes you really anxious, is it okay to just avoid it?
That's a good question. I think sometimes, yes, if you really need a break, it's okay to say no.
Right, you don't have to force yourself.
No, but at the same time, if you avoid things all the time, it can make the anxiety worse.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because then the fear grows bigger and bigger.
I see. So it's about finding a balance?
Exactly. Listen to your body and your mind. If you need a break, take a break, but also try to challenge yourself a little bit.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it's all about balance.
You know, I think it's also important to remember that everyone feels nervous sometimes.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, even people who seem really confident, they probably feel nervous too.
Yes, that's so true. I think everyone has some kind of anxiety.
Right, maybe not social anxiety specifically, but everyone worries about something.
Exactly. So it's a very human thing.
Yeah, and I think that's comforting to know.
Me too. Like, we're all in this together.
Yeah, exactly.
So, Ray, let me ask you something.
Sure, what's up?
What do you do when you feel socially anxious? Do you have any tricks?
Well, I try to focus on the other person.
What do you mean?
Like, instead of thinking about myself and how nervous I am, I try to focus on the person I'm talking to.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I ask them questions, listen to their answers, and try to stay present.
And does that help?
It does, because then I'm not stuck in my own head.
That's really smart.
Thanks. I also try to remind myself that most people are kind.
That's true.
Like, they're not judging me as much as I think they are.
Right. We're usually our own worst critics.
Exactly. We judge ourselves way harder than anyone else does.
That's so true.
So I try to be a little kinder to myself.
I love that. Be kind to yourself.
Yeah, it's important.
It really is.
So, Mia, what would you say to someone watching this who has social anxiety?
I would say, first of all, you're not alone. A lot of people feel the same way.
Yeah.
And second, it's okay to feel this way. You don't have to feel bad about it.
Right.
And third, be patient with yourself. It takes time to get better.
That's great advice.
Thanks. What about you? What would you say?
I would say take small steps. You don't have to do everything at once.
Yes, that's so important.
And also, celebrate your progress. Even small victories are still victories.
I love that.
Like, if you went to a party and you talked to one person, that's amazing.
Exactly. That's something to be proud of.
Yeah, don't compare yourself to other people. Just focus on your own journey.
That's beautiful, Ray.
Thanks.
You know, I'm really glad we talked about this today.
Me too. I think it's an important topic.
Yeah, and I hope it helps people.
I think it will.
I hope so.
So, before we finish, is there anything else you want to say about social anxiety?
I guess I just want to say that it's okay to ask for help.
Yes.
Like, if you're struggling, talk to someone, a friend, a family member, a therapist.
Right, you don't have to go through it alone.
Exactly, and there are a lot of resources out there.
Yeah, books, websites, support groups.
Yes, so many things that can help.
And remember, getting help is a sign of strength, not weakness.
Absolutely.
All right, Mia, I think we should wrap this up.
Okay, so to everyone watching, thank you so much for being here today.
Yeah, thank you. We really appreciate you.
And remember, you're doing great. Keep practicing your English and keep being kind to yourself.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Yes, and subscribe to our channel for more real English conversations.
We have new videos every week.
And let us know in the comments, do you ever feel socially anxious? What helps you?
We'd love to hear from you.
All right, everyone, take care.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.